Currently, Earth is rotating at a pace of approximately 1,670 kilometers per hour, which is around its average rate for a month. And with every living human being present in the room, it's only when they are completely unaware of it that it causes any harm or distress. The idea of the planet freezing for a single second sounds implausible, yet it could remind us to value every moment in life. Everything that is not firmly rooted or secured to the ground would continue to float and move around, without any solid stability or support. Humans, automobiles, trains, and even entire cities could be effortlessly launched across the entire planet. If Earth stopped spinning, the atmosphere would keep moving at 1670 km/h. That means supersonic winds, mega tsunamis, and fire. We only feel calm because air and ground move together. Extreme storms could cause vast devastation to skyscrapers through powerful glass shattering, steel twisting, and concrete crumbling. No building on Earth could survive it. Winds stronger than any storm would shred steel, shatter concrete, collapse foundations, and erase entire skylines until only rubble remained. And then the oceans would move. With no rotation to hold them, massive walls of water would surge across continents, creating mega tsunamis that drown cities and reshape coastlines forever. Tsunamis thousands of meters high would destroy entire continents. They'd crash over mountains, erase cities, and carve coastlines away, leaving nothing but bare rock instantly. With no centrifugal force holding it at the equator, oceans would drain from mid-latitudes and pile up as crushing, miles-thick ice sheets at both poles. Most coastal cities would disappear within minutes. Ocean water would abandon the equator, surge poleward, and expose seabeds before slamming back as walls of ice and flood. Civilization would collapse instantly. Power, food, water, and shelter gone as oceans, weather, and gravity turned hostile. Because stopping Earth doesn't stop inertia. Everything not bolted down keeps moving at 1670 km/h. Buildings, oceans, and air would keep going while the ground, everything on the surface keeps moving at the original speed. At the equator, that's 1670 km/h east, cars, people, air, and oceans would slam forward while the atmosphere would keep moving at 1670 km/h east. Supersonic winds would shred structures, strip topsoil, and scour continents before any calm returned. The Earth's crust could break under immense stress from oceans and atmosphere, causing massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions that displace continents. Earthquakes and volcanoes would erupt everywhere. Fractured crust would release shockwaves and magma, burying survivors under ash, lava, and endless seismic chaos. In just 1 second, Earth's spin would unleash supersonic winds, shatter the crust, and trigger quakes and volcanoes worldwide. Everything ends before you can even react. If Earth stopped longer, the sun would freeze one hemisphere while the other burned. Atmosphere would migrate to the cold side as ice, leaving the day side airless and scorched. Humanity would likely go extinct. No stable climate, no breathable air, no crops, and constant cataclysms would wipe out food chains. Earth's long period of spin has ensured stable climate, a magnetic field, and safe evolution for life. And if it ever stops, everything would fly east at 1670 km/h. Oceans, air, and debris would crash into continents, causing instant worldwide destruction within seconds. Nothing survives. Supersonic winds, quakes, and molten debris would erase every city, forest, and ocean. Life, history, and humanity would end in one catastrophic instant.